timing. Come on in. The unit's right this way. I don't know what the problem is.
I think it's your outdoor unit.
Outdoor unit? It normally makes a noise. I don't know why it's not. You fix that and I'll do my crossword.
There should be a problem right here.
You fixed it!
Let's be honest, climate control's not that easy. Here at Riley, we've been passionate about indoor comfort since 1971. We love what we do, and there's nothing better than a job well done.
Call 833 Riley AC. Rely on